repairing fan and auxiliary, repairing auxiliary fan and fuse box. The issue, the relay was burned and the fan is also burned. The auxiliary fan, you need to replace this one. See, as you can see, you will remove the I totally lose the bolt, so I will take video, and after that I will remove the fuse box. But first, you need to remove the battery, negative terminal, before you remove the fuse box assembly. This box is very dirty. That's what it is. It's very tight. You need to be patient. Because before I remove this, very easy. Connector was easily removed. Now, because of too much dirty, it's stuck on the connector. As you can see, the connector was fitable or tight. So you need to be patient. Some fuse box is very easy to remove, but this is very dirty, so you can remove it easily. See, very dirty, but the issue is they have a burn there. See, burning relay, so we need to repair it inside. We need to open the fuse box. As you can see, I removed the auxiliary fan or radiator fan. See, we will also replace this one. We will repair this one, guys. Okay, let's continue.